Alright, in this video I'll show you two features of Vim. One is built-in, one you need to manipulate a little bit. So those are two is specifically how to get the spell checking working inside Vim, and how to take advantage of dictionary which can be integrated from outside inside Vim. Okay, so to give you that example, let me show you. If I open a file, say any file, okay, and if I start writing, see, this is how I have integrated dictionary words with Vim. Okay, so generally few distribution they have got the word file, dict word file. Unfortunately it is not present in Gentoo where I'm sitting, but forget about the distribution. It's a general stuff, so think in general way. So you can see the file where my words are. It will be a bunch of words, lots of words. Okay, so every time I type something, it will query the file and provide me the listing of the word I'm typing, which is super useful. Okay, so you can easily select with your arrow keys whatever the word you want to use. Okay, so if you go to the next one, it's get reds because it has got no meaning in the in this context, so that's why it is red. So for instance, if you want to invoke the, if you put the cursor over your misspelled word and press Z and equal, sorry, I have to be in normal mode. If I put the cursor in normal mode, then I press Z and equal, it bring me all the suggested stuff related to that particular word where my cursor was sitting. Right, I'm clearly in taking advantage of Vim inbuilt spelling with the help of a package called ASpell. Okay, which will also bring down our directory, English directory, so which will provide this suggestion. So whatever the suggestion is suitable to that particular word or in context of the sentences, you need to provide the number at the bottom of the screen. You can see it telling you type the number out and press enter. Okay, in this case I don't do anything, so I press enter, so it doesn't take any words out of it. Right, so it is very convenient if you are writing something on Vim to take the advantage of because we all have very limited vocabulary, right, and we all write some pace time to time. So it is so very helpful to take advantage of something which you can easily integrate with your editor, right? In this case I'm showing it on Vim. Okay, so if Vim is your editor and you want to write something frequently or infrequently and want to get prompt help, so you can tap the potential it provides, and with a little bit of outside help you can gain more out of it. Like for instance, the spell is a built-in stuff in Vim which you can easily tap it. But for the dictionary words where the word file is missing, suppose you're sitting on a OS which doesn't by default have the word list where it will cross check against the words you are typing, so you need to get it from the outside. For my case, I get it from here. So you can see the URL. I'll give you the URL in the description section. In this URL, I get my word list. Once I enter it, there is a word list. Okay, so I get it from there and I put it here. So this is my Vim spell standard directory for everyone, right? And I put that file. What I got is this, and I renamed it to dictionary word for my convenience. You may not do that. You can use this also, this name, as it is what I get from that URL. Once I download from this stuff and untar it, it will unzip and provide this file, one of the file. Okay, that 95 means something. I'll tell you why that 95 is there. So for instance, now if you can see, if I open a file and if I start typing, you see the path, and this is the path, the same path I showed to you, where I put my this file contains a bunch of words in a line, and whenever I type in Vim, it will consult that file to find out where that word is in that file or not. Okay, if it has got some sort of similarity, it will enlist you the words in dictionary word. Okay, so for instance, let me show you what that if I go to my, see, this is what I got from this URL. This URL I'll post it in the description section. Don't worry about that at this moment. Okay, this is the place where I get the word file, if your OS doesn't have a word file already. Okay, so once I entered it, I get into it. Now if I read the readme file, and this is how I generate my word file. Okay, there is a Perl script called mklist. Okay, along with that you have to parse the category. Categories are the form of which is British, is American, is Australian, whatever you want, and the 95 is what you have see. I'll tell you, I'll show you what. See here, it is, see the words, how many words it has. It has the highest number of word collection. Okay, so all you have to do here, I'll show you one more thing. See, here are the category. Here are the category written in that readme file. It could be English, it could be American, it could be British, it could be British C, Canadian, Australian, whatever. All you have to do, that you have to mention against that Perl script. This is the script. See, this is the script. All you have to do, you have to run mklist, then the category, if I write British, and then provided the number, and you saw 95 has got most number of words. So after running, I'm not going to run it because I have already run it. So this is the format you need to run that once you downloaded that target. Okay, it is not at all complicated. It's pretty simple. Okay, so if you once you run that, it will simply generate a file. Oh, I have moved that file. Okay, so from here, see, it has generated so many files. It has got so many files in it. Okay, uh, according to the category you select. I have selected normal English dictionary words, so it generate, and I move that to my Vim spell directory as like this. This is the original file what was generated by that mk whatever the Perl script come along. Okay, and I renamed it to dictionary word for my convenience. This is, and you just have to add 2 lines to your vMercy, 1 line specifically. You need to mention where is your Word file is. You have to give the path to your Word file. In my case, it's dot spell under that, right? So it will easily detect. Okay, the spell is a built-in stuff in Vim. So you can, if you do spell, see the help. If you at least go to a give it a glance over it, you'll discover so many stuff, right? These are the very common stuff. Z equal brings up the suggestion for me. Okay, so likewise, if you want to add something, some valid word to your specified spell file, you can use ZG or ZW for the wrong word, as it is mentioned here, right? There is a uppercase variant too, and it takes count like all other words in Vim. So I'm not going through it, but you can access it from your from the Vim help system. See, this is what I showed to you to get the suggestion out of your Vim spell stuff, right? It will provide you the suggestion, and you need to find out which is correctly suitable for that context of the sentence and the word correct spelling, and you have to type the number so it will get inserted once you press enter, right? Kindly go through this help page. It will provide you much more precise way of telling you what you are supposed to do about getting your spell checked inside Vim. Okay, this is very handy thing, and you should do that if you're doing some sort of writing, as I do. I constantly take help of a Vim built-in spell correction feature. There is a software called ASPell. You have to install it in your system. And for dictionary, I shown to you how you could integrate the huge number of word list according to your choice and get it integrated with Vim. Okay, I hope this will be useful to some people. Thanks for watching.